There's a place where the desert meets the water, where the summer sun reflects across the blue. At number 29, now 107, 62nd Avenue. There's an Osoyoos home waiting here for you. Inside Casa Madera on the west side of town, an extensively renovated home has just come around. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 851 square feet. 1 level, living open and bright, moving ready, clean and complete. Nearly $100,000 in renovations represented here. Walls open for a brighter layout, modern comfort throughout the year. Dimmer lighting, GFCI receptacles, updated doors and hardware too. A newer electrical panel and heaters with a hot water tank from 2020, free for you. It's more than an address, it's an Osoyoos way of life, close to the lake and Legion Beach, where the water meets the sky. Number 29 and 9107, 62nd Avenue, Osoyoos, British Columbia. This could be the place for you. 2 beds, 2 baths, fully renovated, offered at $363,000. Casa Madera, Osoyoos Lake Life. Come and take a look around. 29 and 107, 62nd Avenue in LS, 1099 40 or 43. A renovated Osoyoos townhouse. Come and see what life could be. The open concept kitchen gives you 22 cupboards, 14 drawers, newer appliances, and an epoxy countertop, with room to gather and so much more. Laminate wood style flooring, crown molding finishing the view. Updated showers, tub and toilets, fab for improvements carried through. There's an electric fireplace, wall unit cooling and laundry inside. 2 private garden patios facing east and west on either side. Morning coffee in the sunshine, evening dinner in the open air. 2 included parking spaces make everyday living easier there. And when the Okanagan summer brings that warm and golden glow, the water, beaches, golf and wineries are part of the life you'll know. Number 29 and 9107, 62nd Avenue, Osoyoos, British Columbia. This could be the place for you. 2 beds, 2 baths, fully renovated, 851 square feet. Casa Madera, Osoyoos Lake Life, where comfort and location meet. 29 Avenue, Fulton, 62nd Avenue, and LS, 1039 40 or 43. A renovated Osoyoos townhouse. Come and see what life could be. Take a swim in the outdoor saltwater pool, relax in the indoor hot tub all year. There's an on-site sauna waiting, and Legion Beach is conveniently near. The monthly strata fee is $248.40, long-term rental and buy it. Verification, all is recommended. This is a free home